In today's video, we will discuss about the file management. File management means moving a file or copying a file from one folder to another. For your convenience, I have created two folders, the folder 1 and folder 2. Inside the folder 1, you can see I have already created a file XYZ. Now I will show you the several ways by which I can move this file from the folder 1 to folder 2 and again from folder 2 to folder 1. Now first of all, just right click on the file. This menu will appear. From here you have to select the cut option. Now I am closing this one. This is the folder 2. Right click on the folder. Again the menu will appear. Here you click on the paste option. Now I am opening folder 2. See, the file has come inside the folder 2. Let me close it and let me show you folder 1. It has now become empty. Now another way, our file, as you know, now it is in folder 2. I am opening this one. You can see it here inside folder 2. From here you just click and drag it over the folder 1. Now open folder 1. You can see the file here. It has been moved here. Now if we open folder 2, you can see it has become now empty. Now another way. As you can understand, now our file is in folder 1. I have opened that one. Here you can see the two folders side by side on the desktop. Inside the folder 1, we have the file. I am simply selecting and dragging it over the folder 2. Now let me open folder 2. You can see the file inside the folder 2. I am closing this one and this is the folder 1 which is now empty. Now another way, I am opening the option Disk PC. Here is the desktop option. Inside the desktop I have these two folders, folder 1 and folder 2. Our file is in now folder 2. I am selecting this one. Here we have the cut option. Click on that one. Open folder 1. Click on the paste option. Now see, inside folder 1 we can see the file now. And if we open folder 2, now it is empty. So we have 4 ways by which we can move the file from one folder to another. Now there are several ways I am going to show you by which we can make duplicate copy of the file and both the copies will be in the two folders. Now we have the file in folder 1. Right click on that one. Again the menu will appear. This time we will click on the copy option. Now right click on folder 2 and click on the paste option. Now see, inside folder 2 we have the file XYZ, and if you open folder 1, here also we have the file XYZ. So it has made a duplicate copy of the same file and placed in both the folders. Now I am deleting one file from one folder to show you some other ways. It is now only in folder 1. I am selecting this one. Here is the option copy to. Click on that one. A list will appear. Here I am selecting the option folder 2. Now let me open folder 2. See, here is the file XYZ. And if we click on folder 1, here is also the file XYZ. Again I am deleting the file from folder 2 to show you some other way. Now the file is in folder 1. Select it. Click on the copy option here. Now open folder 2 which is now empty and click on the paste option. See, it is pasted here. So again our file has made a duplicate copy. It is in folder 2 as well as in folder 1. Now I am going to show you how we can send the copy of the file from our computer to the flash drive. We have the file in both folder 1 and folder 2. I have opened folder 1. Here is the file we can see. Right click on that one. Here is the option send to in the menu. In the send to sub menu, you can see the one option here, the D drive. Click on that one. Now I am showing you the D drive. This is the flash drive, and here we have the copy of the file XYZ. Now one last thing I am going to show you in today's video is how to search for any file. The search option we can find beside the start button. Here simply you have to click inside that to bring the cursor inside the search option in the search box. As you know, the name of our file started with X, so I am simply typing X here, and you can see it has already found our file XYZ in folder 1 and XYZ in folder 2 as well. So these are the several ways of file management. Now I am going to discuss about some of the question answers in your book. In today's video we will discuss about the objective type questions. First, choose the correct answer. First one, the start menu was introduced in 4 options are given. The first one, the correct answer will be Windows 95. The paint feature was introduced from, the answer will be Windows 1.0. Now the next one, which of the following is a process of sorting, storing and handling files in computer? Your answer will be definitely file management, what I have discussed so far. The search box is present in the obviously start menu, just now I have shown you. Microsoft Windows was initially named as the Interface Manager. Now for the true or false, the DVDs were supported for the first time by Windows XP. The answer will be false. Windows 7 was known previously by the code name Vienna. It is true. Online security updates were available in Windows 2000. That is false. It's come later. The libraries feature provides a convenient way to manage files that are located in multiple locations on the computer. True. The order of appearance of the items in the taskbar is fixed. Obviously it is false, because whenever we want, we can change the appearance of the items in the taskbar by simply clicking and dragging. In our next video, we will discuss about how to change the wallpaper and screensaver and the rest of the question answers.